Monster Alphabet, written by Michelle Anderson. Introducing the alphabet monsters from planet Alpha Boo. Some are good monsters and some are bad ones. The monsters sometimes like to secretly visit planet Earth. You can never see them, as they are invisible to the human eye, and they are harmless. But when they visit, children all over the world take on their personalities. It could be for a second or even a whole day. Read about these monsters and decide which ones secretly visited and affected you today. Bassa Boo Boo. Or maybe Poppy Lottie. See if you can pick the good ones from the bad ones. A is for adventurous monster. Nickname: Adeloopy. Likes apple pie. Dislikes anchovies. Hobbies: going on adventures in Antarctica. Talent: it can balance 100 apples on its arm. Trait: being adventurous, trying new and daring things. Did this monster visit you today? B is for bossy monster. Nickname: Bassa Boo Boo. Likes bananas. Dislikes burnt bread. Hobbies: bossing bouncing bunnies around. Talent: blowing bubbles while baking banana bread. Trait: being bossy, telling others what to do. Did this monster visit you today? C is for crafty monster. Nickname: Crackalugoo. Likes chocolate. Dislikes creamy cake. Hobbies: creating castles out of cardboard. Talent: climbing trees and rescuing cats. Trait: being crafty, clever, and skillful. Did this monster visit you today? D is for delightful monster. Nickname: Deli Lulu. Likes delicious donuts. Dislikes deciding what to eat for dinner. Hobbies: dancing to disco music. Talent: drawing dragons while dreaming. Trait: being delightful, nice, and friendly. Did this monster visit you today? E is for energetic monster. Nickname: Ella Bella Bogey. Likes eggplant. Dislikes old eggs. Hobbies: exercising. Talent: playing the electric guitar with its ears. Trait: being energetic, playing a lot without taking a break. Did this monster visit you today? F is for fussy monster. Nickname: Fassa Boosa. Likes fresh fruit. Dislikes food that doesn't begin with the letter F. Hobbies: fly fishing. Talent: doing 50 flips in 50 seconds. Traits: being fussy, not wanting to try new foods. Did this monster visit you today? G is for greedy monster. Nickname: Goopaloopa. Likes green grapes. Dislikes grape juice. Hobbies: grabbing groceries from Grandma and eating it all up. Talent: making gorillas giggle. Trait: being greedy, not wanting to share with others. Did this monster visit you today? H is for hilarious monster. Nickname: Holly Bolly. Likes humongous hamburgers. Dislikes hot Hungarian goulash. Hobbies: playing handball with hummingbirds. Talent: hopping through hoops while holding 100 hamsters. Trait: being hilarious, acting silly, and doing funny things. Did this monster visit you today? I is for impolite monster. Nickname: Ippy Pippy. Likes ice cubes. Dislikes insect soup. Hobbies: interrupting everybody. Talent: inventing interesting ice cream while ice skating. Trait: being impolite, not using its manners, like thank you and please. Did this monster visit you today? J is for jolly monster. Nickname: Jappy Bappy. Likes jam. Dislikes juice. Hobbies: jumping with jaguars. Talent: juggling jelly while jet skiing. Trait: being jolly, acting happy all day. Did this monster visit you today? K is for kooky monster. Nickname: Kumu. Likes kale. Dislikes ketchup. Hobbies: kayaking with kittens. Talent: flying kites while practicing karate with kangaroos. Trait: being kooky, acting a little bit crazy and different. Did this monster visit you today? L is for lazy monster. Nickname: Lazar. Likes lollies. Dislikes lumpy lentils. Hobbies: lazing around on the lounge. Talent: lassoing livestock while lunching with llamas. Trait: being lazy, not wanting to help with chores, and not packing up its toys. Did this monster visit you today? M is for mischievous monster. Nickname: Meepa-boop. Likes macaroni. Dislikes mushy mangoes. Hobbies: getting up to mischief with meerkats. Talent: multiplying by millions while baking mandolins. Trait: being mischievous, doing naughty things and not telling anyone. Did this monster visit you today? N is for noisy monster. Nickname: New to boot. Likes nougat. Dislikes nuts. Hobbies: eating nachos late at night. Talent: spinning netball on its nose for 9 minutes. Trait: being noisy and very loud. Did this monster visit you today? O is for outrageous monster. Nickname: Oogaloo. Likes oranges. Dislikes onions. Hobbies, going to the opera with otters. Talent, outdoor rowing while cooking omelets. Trait, being outrageous, acting very strange. Did this monster visit you today? P is for polite monster. Nickname, Poppy Lottie. Likes peaches. Dislikes pineapple. Hobbies, painting pictures of pelicans. Talent, paddle boarding while preparing pancakes. Trait, being polite and always using its manners like thank you and please. Did this monster visit you today? Q is for quirky monster. Nickname, Quacky Mook. Likes quark. Dislikes quiche. Hobbies, quilting with quails. Talent, solving quantum physics quizzes when waiting in a queue. Trait, being quirky and different than others. Did this monster visit you today? R is for rowdy monster. Nickname, Raroo. Likes ravioli. Dislikes radishes. Hobbies, rock climbing with raccoons. Talent, playing racquetball with roller skates on. Trait, being rowdy, acting too loud, and being rough. Did this monster visit you today? S is for sneaky monster. Nickname, Snoopaloop. Likes spaghetti. Dislikes soggy soup. Hobbies, skiing with sheep in Switzerland. Talent, step dancing while shopping for shoes. Trait, being sneaky, doing things without asking. Did this monster visit you today? T is for talkative monster. Nickname, Tattarat. Likes tiramisu. Dislikes tomatoes. Hobbies, telling tales to tortoises. Talent, tree climbing with tigers while playing tennis. Trait, being talkative, chatting a lot all day. Did this monster visit you today? U is for unique monster. Nickname, Ulladalu. Likes upside down cake. Dislikes uncooked food. Hobbies, playing underwater hockey. Talent, walking upside down with umbrellas. Trait, being unique and special. Did this monster visit you today? V is for vain monster. Nickname, Vanuti. Likes vanilla ice cream. Dislikes vegetables. Hobbies, playing the violin. Talent, vacuuming while polishing vases. Trait, being vain, looking at itself in the mirror a lot. Did this monster visit you today? W is for witty monster. Nickname, Witu. Likes waffles. Dislikes wasabi. Hobbies, watering watermelons. Talent, walking wombats while whistling. Trait, being witty and funny in a clever way. Did this monster visit you today? X is for X-monster. Nickname, Psylop. Likes Christmas cake. Dislikes yin yang, dried black mushrooms. Hobbies, playing the xylophone. Talent, playing extreme sports on the Xbox. Trait, playing too many computer games like the Xbox all day. Did this monster visit you today? Y is for Yappy Monster. Nickname, Yoko Loo. Likes yogurt. Dislikes yams. Hobbies, yoga. Talent, yapping with yaps while doing tricks with yo-yos. Trait, being yappy, talking too much, and being a bit silly. Did this monster visit you today? Z is for Zippy Monster. Nickname, Zulo. Likes zebra cakes. Dislikes zucchini. Hobbies, zipping around town to Led Zeppelin songs. Talent, eating 10 zebra cakes in 0 seconds. Trait, being zippy and running fast everywhere it goes. Did this monster visit you today?